Hi there. I'm going to explain to you the last part of what you're doing today in your Day 4 lesson. You just watched a video, read about, and saw some pictures explaining the start of the process of protein synthesis, called transcription. I have this assignment here, and you're going to be doing part of it today and part of it tomorrow to walk through the processes of transcription and translation. So first here I'll show you how to do transcription. Transcription, which we can see right here, takes place in the nucleus, and it is the process where DNA is converted and rewritten into mRNA. So the first thing we want to do is just test that you remember your base pairing rules. Meaning, on DNA, if on the left side there is a T, we're trying to figure out here what always pairs up with T. Well, from yesterday, remember that A always pairs with T. And we go down and say, oh, there's an A on the left. Well, T always pairs with A. There's a C on the left, which means G always pairs with C. Remember this, just A's with T's, C's with G's, is extremely important to remember. If you do not have that built and burnt somewhere into your brain, you want to do that. Just say it over and over. C with G, C with G, A with T, A with T, until it's stuck up there, because you'll need it over and over and over for this first unit of summer school. Once you have all of that done, and you've showed us, yep, I remember how to use one side of DNA to make the other, then we can actually go through the process of transcription. You can see here, we're repeating the left side of DNA. So this matches this. But instead of making the right side of DNA, what we're going to do is make mRNA. In this process, it's really pretty similar what you're going to be doing here, that across from T's are always A's. But across from A's no longer are T's. In mRNA, so it's important to see that we've headed this with mRNA, anywhere where you would have written a T, you're going to put a U instead for uracil, which you read about earlier. C's turn into G's, C with G, and so on and so on. Once you have completed all of these, you can actually rewrite all of them right here. We're not going to do this step today, because this is translation over here, but we do want to, or we are just copying the mRNA strand from here to here, so you can copy it down a second time when you're done. All right, well, thank you. See you all tomorrow.